monitored or recorded for quality assurance.
Ja, oké.
Please press 1 to continue in English. If you are calling to reset your password, please go to www.battle.net/password. For all non-technical support, press 1. For technical
Ik bestek mij die gaat altijd staan, die computer gaat altijd uitvallen.
My name is Oren. How can I help you?
Okay, yeah, when I play a Blizzard game, it always shuts down and it says CPU overheat. I don't know what to do.
Okay, so that would be a hardware issue. So you have problems with your hardware. That's not really something that we can help you with. You need to go to a local technician and have them look at your PC.
But there's also when I play that game, there come smokes out my ventilator of my computer,
So I have
and
to
then
finish this call because it's not a serious
and
call.
all of flames out my computer.